Welcome to MT Academy. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how I make money using my ultimate trendline trading strategy, which I made a video of last time. So if you haven't watched that video, kindly search for it, the ultimate trendline trading strategy, and make sure you watch it. You will learn so much. So without further ado, here is the AUD Card Chart. In this AUD Card Chart, 4 hours time frame, there is an obvious upward trend, which I have shown by drawing this trend line. And after the trend line, in my video the last time, I told you that the first thing you need to do in this strategy is that you should wait for the break of the trend line. There was a break of the trend line here, and I said to you that once that break happens, and the next thing you need to do is to wait for a retest. So there was a retest of the trend line here. This is the best place to short. So you must remember that a trend line is also a support and resistance line depending on the side of the price it is. So like this price, now that it's retested this trend line, it served as a good resistance and resisted the price from moving up. And at that point, I placed my sell order here, and price is moving down. So how do I know where I'll be targeting next? Here is an upward trend. I can just apply my Fibonacci Retracement tool to know where this price will be heading to. So let me do that. Come here, go to tools, go under objects, under Fibonacci. I get my Fibonacci Retracement, then I draw it. If you haven't watched my video on Fibonacci Retracement tool, kindly do that. There is a very great video that shows how you can draw your Fibonacci, how you can add it to your chart, and how you can even add other levels. And there is also another video on Fibonacci extension tool, so kindly watch those videos. Now, where will I be targeting? My target is 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. It's aligned with this very demand zone, so that's where I'll be targeting. The market is already on, so here is it. I'm already making $230.